first English entertainment talk show named Inspired by Zaya. For me, honestly, I didn't study English abroad, but through my really bad English, I just want to proudly introduce Mongolian really successful and talented and educated young representatives. That is why today I'm inviting this really special lady who is Mongolian top model, Oyunga. Thanks for coming.
Thanks for inviting me.
Okay, you're very welcome. So, Oyunga, how is your work?
Last year in May, I opened my own modeling agency.
Right.
The company represents fashion models, and we are working for a Mongolian fashion industry. Yeah, Glory Modeling Agency.
Glory Model.
Yeah, so lately I have been working for Mongolian fashion industry.
Okay. When did you become a top model of Mongolia?
It's about 8 years ago I became top model of Mongolia. By the time, actually, I was a little bit panicked and nervous.
Really?
Yeah, when they called my name, I was panicked. It's about 8 years ago.
Okay, right. Anyway, why did you decide to become a model?
Modeling is a very tough business, you know. And if someone just see me, it's really easy, but actually it's really hard working. And modeling work has so many advantage and disadvantage, but anyway, I love this job. That's why I decided to become model.
Right. So, you mean that it's not only relates to your talent?
Yeah.
How did you keep your weight?
Actually, I have a no diet. I love eating chocolate and drink some juice. And my role is that I think I'm a very healthy, skinny girl. I mean, every day go to the gym and sometimes go swimming. It's my body self-improvement.
Right. So, most of the guys, Mongolian youth, really knows that you recently have a twin baby.
Yeah.
Right, twins. Okay, tell me about the girls.
They are so naughty, never listen my word. Yeah. And my twin is only 2 years old. And
Already 2 years old.
Yeah.
Great.
Yeah, they never give me some leisure time, always busy. Yeah, they're so cute.
Okay, do they go to kindergarten?
Yeah.
Okay, so everybody really wondering, especially guys, really wonder that they're really interested about your husband. Okay, tell me about your husband. What does he do and how does he look like, you know?
He looks like handsome. No. My husband, he works for a coal company in China.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we all speak Chinese very well.
Okay,
Yeah.
right.
Yeah, he's a very normal guy, just very good father and good husband for me. I'm really proud of him.
How did you meet?
We met about 15 years ago.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay,
He also went to modeling training course.
Okay.
Yeah, then after 10 years we met. And yeah, I think he's a very perfect man in my life.
Okay, right. So, what do you want to say that to compare your single life and with the family life? How different is that?
It's completely different. If you become mother, there are so many changes in part of your brain. And if you become a mother, you have to be responsibility for your life. For example, you have to be good time planning, and you should grow your family economy and always take care of your family, especially children. Yeah, it's if you are single, it's sometimes fantastic. Yeah. But sometimes if you really wanted someone to talk and make you tea when you are sick, that's the problem.
Right. So
Yeah, there are only two kind of women in the world. The first is single and lonely. The second is relationship.
Okay.
Are you?
Yeah, for me, I'm a single because I have no time to get married.
Yeah, it takes time.
Yeah, it takes time, but
Yeah.
I never worry about it. Okay, next question is, I heard that you studied and worked in China, so tell me about the memory.
Yeah, I studied in Shandong University in China for master degrees.
Master degree?
Yeah, yeah. Then I noticed that the Chinese people are very hardworking and they believe that if they don't do the best, there are at least 100 people who can do the job better and quicker and with the pleasure. Yeah, probably that's right. And I learned that never being lazy.
Okay.
That's my rule.
Okay, how to work there in China? You know, China is one of the biggest neighbor of
Yeah,
Mongolia. So
yeah.
how to work abroad?
It's about 4 years ago. I worked in China Bentley, which is the Chinese biggest fashion company. And
Okay.
by the time I participated in international fashion week in Beijing, yeah, I think that was very good experience for me. Yeah, I think I was the first Mongolian model who participated in an international fashion week.
Okay, so how's Chinese models, you know? I don't think that they're more beautiful than Mongolian girls.
Do you think that?
Yeah, I'm really sure that.
Okay.
So how's Chinese models?
Chinese model definitely very high fashion professional models.
Really?
Yeah, they are so tall and skinny. They can speak English very well, and yeah, you know the Chinese people very very hardworking.
Yeah, that's true.
I noticed that all of the life rhythms, you know.
Okay, right. So lately I'm observing that Mongolian models really prefer to work abroad. What is the main reason for that? Why you're thinking?
I think there are top two reasons. The first, Mongolian models wanted to introduce with the top designers and top photographer. The second, they wanted to increase their status. The third, they wanted to work with the top agent. Now, if you Mongolian models have been working for a foreign modeling agency, but I think they started too late. I mean, 16 is a very good age for modeling.
Really?
Yeah, yeah. If you really wanted to work with a top agent, your personality and your character is so important. It's not just like beauty.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
I hate this part right here. I just can't take your tears. I hate this part right here. Every day, 7 takes of the same old scene. Seems we're bound by the laws of the same routine. Gotta talk to you now before we go to sleep.
Yeah, people always say that models are so empty-headed, you know. But some of them maybe I think. But for you, I heard that you know, studied so many courses and studied really, graduated really famous universities, right?
Yeah. I think self-improvement is so important. I mean, I always wanted to control myself. I don't want to wasting my precious time and energy. I mean, I should go for do some good and do the right things and handle my mistakes to the positive ways and learn to try new and learn to something new. That's the self-improvement, you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, you are watching Inspired by Zaya English Anytime Talk Show. Our talk show is reaching to you from California restaurant that locates on 3rd floor of Ich Mongol Complex. Today I'm meeting with this really beautiful lady. Okay, Oyanga, tell me about your parents and all the family members. I heard that you have one older brother, right?
Yeah. My father was a military commander and now he's already retired and sometimes he helps me to take care of my children.
Oh, very good.
Yeah, that is a very good job, you know.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, my brother, he works for construction sector. And my mommy, she's my idol. Yeah, she's amazing woman. She has been working for a health sector for over 30 years. Yeah, she's a doctor.
Okay, well, tell me about your mother, her character and her behavior.
Her behavior is completely different of me.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah. She is also a very hardworking woman and never upset, never depressing of some problem, you know. She is my idol, and I able to learn something from my mom. And she is a very, very amazing woman. I love her so much.
Okay, tell me about your childhood time. What kind of child were you?
My childhood time, pretty routine like other children, but I studied so well in secondary school and high school. Yeah, just normal girl. I graduated University of Humanities in 2009. Actually, my major is international journalist.
You're a journalist?
Yeah.
Same.
Yeah. 4 years ago, I also worked for some daily newspaper and TV. There's a very fantastic major, you know. But now, at this society, at this moment, it's really hard work, you know. I just so interested in magazine and TV show, especially entertainment TV show. Yeah, in the future, maybe I will work for magazine, or I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah, but I think I will do.
Okay, well, actually, this talk show dedicates for young people who would like to study English and who would like to be successful in the future, you know. So, but I'm thinking, knowing foreign language, it's really important for someone's career. So, what about you?
Learning foreign language is not just like go to abroad and to boost your CV, you know. It will make you smarter. It will open your career. For example, for me, when I worked in China, there was no translator, and I always should talk to some girls and Chinese girls. There was no language problem. If you have any language, it's the very advantage, you know. Yeah, it will open your career. So a foreign language is really influenced your career and your life.
So, for the models, how do you find money? How do you make money? You know, for the young people, for the young family, money is really important, you know. How do you make money, girls?
Every advertisement, every shooting, we have a salary.
Okay.
Yeah, it takes time, and if you really wanted to take a very good picture, you should pay that model. It's also work, you know. People think that, especially Mongolian people, always think that Mongolian models so empty-headed and it's easy work, but actually it's completely different.
Do you receive a lot of invitations from the companies?
Yeah.
Yeah, for example, which companies?
Now we have been working with Urban Jeans.
Urban Jeans, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Urban Jeans and Jigur Grand, and a few very big companies.
So, what is your advantage of your modeling agency? There's a lot of modeling agencies running their activities in UP, for example, Mongol Model, Era, and also I heard Andrew Model agency. Yeah. So, what is your difference?
We have a modeling training course, including shooting and runways models. We practiced very good runway models. Runway, not shooting, runways. I'm a runway model, so I have been preparing very good runway models. That's our modeling agency advantage.
Could you please explain what is actually runway model? I heard that also catwalk model and photo model and
Yeah. For example, if you are photo model, you don't have to be very very tall, and
Okay.
you just should your expression is very important.
oh
Yeah, expression. Yeah, especially facial expression and acting someone. But a professional model, runway model is different. Your catwalk is also important. Also, you should create your own style on the stage. Yeah, it's all different.
So, for example, you are a top model, and how do you improve yourself as a model?
On the stage, self-confidence is a huge part of walking.
Yeah, I think that you're really self-confident because when I watched you on the TV at the Goyal Festival, I was so shocked. You look totally different.
Thank you.
Yeah. So, how do you improve yourself? Sorry.
Yeah, all models tall. All model has a very good body shape.
Yeah.
But do they have self-confidence? That's the problem, you know. Yeah, if you are self-confident walking on the stage, the audience can see you. Yeah, she's a good model. Self-confidence is the most important thing on the stage.
Okay. Okay, and since I'm inviting you, Mongolian really famous top model, I have a huge request to you.
Okay.
Okay, are you ready to listen it?
Yeah, I really wanted to listen.
Okay, it's really serious deal, right?
Okay.
Okay, can I offer you one male model?
Really?
Yes, that's true. Can you believe that?
Yeah, I want to see him.
Do you really want to
Yeah,
see
yeah,
him? Yeah, okay. Actually, honestly, this inspired by Zaya Talk Show's official cameraman.
Oh, really?
He's by my eyes. He's really good looking and really nice face. Can you meet with him?
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm inviting my cameraman, Tabako. His name is Tabako actually.
Okay.
Please give some advice and please, share your experience to him. Okay, I'm inviting my cameraman. Wow, okay.
Okay, nice to meet you. My name is Oyanga.
My name is Taco.
Okay, he's actually.
Yeah, he's handsome.
Yeah. Do you think so?
Yeah.
Okay. Actually, his height is 188, 188 or 89,
yeah, he
and
is.
yes, he really willing to involve in fashion industry.
Okay.
So, what do you think about him? So, please give some advice to him.
Can you walk together?
Yeah, sure, definitely.
Okay, let's go performance.
Okay, good luck, guys.
Yeah. За, алах уу. Гарны савс жоох их шүү за. За яа. Миний нэг алхмынхаа надтай гарах. Хайзаа уулзтай. Тэнцээ. За, ихтэй мөдөд энийг шаардлагах уу? Эмэгтэй мөдөд инээ. За, гацсан. За, хандаа ингэж харна. Цэцэж ингэж харна. За, гацсан. Ирээдүй байна. Гэхдээ засагцуул нэлээ их байна, тий? Метрол бол байна. Ямар санагдаж байна мэдээ тээж?
Үгүй яах вэ?
Эвгүй байна.
Ах хийж байгаа.
Аха. За тэгээд давхуг өөрөө хэрвээ хүсвэл манай Флори моделийн агентлаг бол чамайг сургалтандаа хамруулж чиний цаашдын карьерт бас амжилттайгаар нөлөөлөхийг хүсэж байна. Тэгээд хэрвээ хүсвэл манай агентлаг тавтаа мэрлээ гэж хэлсэн.
Okay, thank you, Oyanga. Okay, did you give some advice to him?
Yeah.
Our talk show has a special part, which is to throw Mongolian tradition for girls, right? Let me see your spirit, okay? Even though we're speaking in English, we're still Mongolian girls, right? Okay, let me see. Anyway, good luck to you.
Okay, thank you.
It's 3 sheep and
Yeah.
1 goat. Yeah, it's kind of good. Since
Okay,
you got
go ahead.
Since you got a 3 sheep, you're really lucky girl. Okay, Oyanga, thanks for coming. At the end of the talk show, please look at that camera and you can say whatever you want. To your parents, to your brother, to your twin girls, maybe to your husband, maybe to the president.
I
It's
see.
open to you. Okay?
Mom and Daddy, I love you so much. Thanks for helping me all the time. And thanks for my friends, always understanding me and support me. Also, thank you so much inviting me that very fantastic interview.
Thank you, Oyanga. You're very welcome. Okay, Oyanga, thanks for coming and thank you for accepting my invitation. And I wish you lots of joy and happiness in the future, and I wish you every success in your life and work
Okay,
in the
thank you.
future. It was really nice to talk to you.
Yeah, can I hug you?
Yeah, sure, definitely. Okay, wish you all the best.
Thank you so much.
Okay, good luck anyway. Okay, Oyanga, be a good mother, be a good wife.
I will.
Okay.
I will.
Okay, good luck.
I see.
It was the Mongol's first English anytime talk show named Inspired by Zaya. I always really proud of Mongolian, really talented and successful young people. So please guys, be yourself. As our guest said, be yourself, be happy, be strong, and whatever happens, never give up. See you next week.